Hello and welcome to Pating Reviews. Today I'll be reviewing the ASOKO under cabinet rechargeable LED motion sensor lights. At any point during this video, if you'd like to check out these motion sensor lights for yourself and get them at a fantastic price, make sure to check out the links below this video. So I needed these under cabinet lights because the ones in my house failed, and I found these on Amazon, and so far I'm quite impressed with the quality of these under cabinet lights. So they have a couple different settings. They also come in a couple different sizes as well. So there's one for silver with 3-color light, and then there's the white light. This is the one I got, is the white light. They come in a 1-pack, a 3-pack, and then on the 3-pack it comes in a couple different lengths: 7.8 inches, 9.9 inches, and 12 inches. And they're very thin. So these are a great under cabinet lights because they're very bright and they have a couple different settings. So you can actually dim these lights as well. You can have them set to motion sensor, or what you can do is you can keep them on all the time by pressing the different button, and you press it more than once to change between the 3 different settings. So the brightness goes between 10% and 100%. So obviously if you have it less bright, it's better for darker situations, but it also will save on the battery life, so it will last a lot longer. But these lights have a 1100 milliamp long-lasting USB rechargeable battery in them. So once they die, what you do is on the back side of these, you put a magnetic little sticker to it, and then you clip it under your cabinet. So it's super easy to install. It only takes a couple minutes to do it. You don't need to use any screws or any brackets or anything like that. So you can put these lights up anywhere you want, and it should, depending on how often you use the motion sensors, it could last up to 10 days without having to recharge the lights. So you can use them in a variety of situations, like your kitchen, which I'm using them for. You could use it in your wardrobe closet. You could use it in hallways, in cabinets, in drawers, wherever you need these kind of lights. They're very sleek looking. They're lightweight. They're very reasonably priced, and they're great quality. Also, if you want to get them at a discounted rate, make sure to check out my links below this video, and you can get it, click the coupon code and get it even at a greater discount. So overall, I'm quite impressed with the quality of the ASOKO under cabinet light motion sensors with a USB-C rechargeable. They're very easy to install. They're lightweight, they're sleek, they're bright, and they have a couple different, 3 different features for the working modes, either motion censored, always on, and you can dim it as well. So if you want to check them out for yourself, make sure to check out the links below this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please consider subscribing for more videos like this one, and liking and commenting if you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget that the links to the product mentioned in this video are below this video to get it at the best possible price.